Understand that a no today is not a no forever. It could be that you're not the problem. The client may be the problem. Life will not give you stuff beyond your capacity per time. If it happens, it is fluke. And like every other fluke, it's not sustainable. Many people take real estate as a part-time business. There's a difference between doing it part-time actively because you have a job, or doing it part-time as a mindset. Spend money in being in some rooms. There are some associations where you walk into and too many things change about you, especially your mindset. You may speak to two people and a business idea will drop. Money is not supposed to be stored. Money is supposed to flow. That's why they call it what? Currency. Principles are the same. Yourself. Mindset about yourself. Do you see yourself? Do you carry yourself? Do you behave like that your prayer point?